Hey guys, welcome to Sharp Learners. This channel is solely dedicated to all the students out there. Hope you enjoy watching and learning it the smart way. So let's get started. Digital marketing is a form of marketing through which you can advertise to people digitally. Digital marketing leverage several channels like search engines, websites, social media platforms, emails, and the mobile applications. It gives marketers the opportunity to interact with and understand the audience better and to increase the trust in the brand. Digital marketing would also show marketers advertisements to people based on their actions and preferences on the internet, while being less expensive than traditional form of advertising. Types of digital marketing: content marketing, social media marketing, pay per click, search engine optimization, email marketing, affiliate marketing. Creating content like blogs, videos, infographics, and case studies so that it can create audience interests in products and services is content marketing. The first step is to create content on a specific search keywords relevant to the target audience. Making optimizations on the website and having credible websites linking back to the content can make the website starting to rank on top in the search results. The continuous optimization would continue to improve the ranking and ultimately make the website rank at the first position. This is SEO or search engine optimization, and this would do all of this without spending a penny. Driving traffic to websites with advertisements. But for this, we would have to pay certain fees each time the ads are clicked by the viewer. Audience are targeted by putting up text ads to see in search engines, image ads and video ads to website. This is PPC or pay per click. To reach a larger audience, you need to tap in the social media platforms. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram can be used to advertise the brand's content. These brands are used to advertise the products or services with text, images, videos, and more to bring out the brand story and engage with the audience who spend a lot of time on social media like PPC. That's social media marketing. Even after all this, a large number of audience will not be visiting the website the second time. We need to keep them engaged, nurture them in order to make sure they purchase the product. Emails can be used to help the customer better understand the products they visited on the website and assist them in buying process. Emails can also be sent to advertise products or services to potential customers. That's email marketing. To have more traffic on third-party website, we can use affiliate marketing. Affiliates would promote the brand or product to the audience for a fee with the help of email signups, registrations, conversions, subscriptions, etc. The affiliate marketing model consists of merchant, publisher, and customer. Merchant pays fees to the publisher. The publisher promotes products or services to the customer. In return, the customer buys products or takes desired action with merchant. This is affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This topic was requested by Ishika. I hope you understood the concepts covered. In next video, we'll see search engine optimization in details. Do keep on suggesting the topics of your interest. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can comment for topics that you want me to post in the comment section below. All the best for your future, guys. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.